is the old air fryer. She still works and everything, but she's outdated. And here's a little carousel. I don't drink coffee like that, but my mom does. She wanted a new one. I upgraded her with a new one. I'm QVC. And like, yeah, I think this is the Select, this one. I think this one is the Select. But yeah, see, we got all different kind of coffees and hot chocolates for the baby and all that. So yeah, let's set up this new one and let's see what it looks like.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas.
Hey guys, this is everything that it came with. The new Keurig came with these 3 coffees and the little thing to put your perp coffee in it. I didn't even know it was coming with this. So yeah. Hey you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And as well, my mother, she loves her Keurig. Thank you for watching me set it up. Probably gonna do some fun drink video ideas for the holidays with that. And as well, I'm gonna insert some footage that I never uploaded, which was me going on a family vacation this summer. And again, just watch it and see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer.
He trying to drink the water. Oh, there, you cannot. Look, you can get sick. You cannot drink chlorine. Ready? You ready? Here we go. Here we go.
How deep is it?
Huh?
How deep is it?
It's probably about 4 feet.
Okay, cool.
Over on this side. I didn't go over there though. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hey, 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 happy, hey, 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 hey. birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yay.
That's mine.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I'm 6.
Period, fool.
Hey.
Well, I guess
And this side is yours.
You really want to put your camera?
I guess I'm 18.
Really?
Create your own cupcakes. Eat, have at 'em over here.
While the adults are out swimming and sipping,
So,
and we got some.
what you guys can do. Okay?
And we got giant Uno for y'all to play.
What time is it?
That's 8:50. That one right there?
Yeah, giant Uno, and we got Jenga over there too. Y'all can play. Okay, whatever y'all want to play.
I'm just saying, go y'all cupcakes, you can decorate them whenever.
You guys, I know I'm looking a little crazy, but Mom got the kiddos some cupcakes to decorate. These are the things that they do. You see? Yeah, I'm recording. They got your arm all in the frame.
Oh, we jumped on that couch so fast.
They got some vanilla and chocolate cupcakes with some, I'm a little close, with some icings.
Blue, orange, white.
Yeah, see, this is actually from Walmart, y'all. Like, this is something that y'all can do. Orange. Ooh, I'm touching. Got some, the little things to put on there. And you got, yeah, and some sprinkles. So the kiddos gonna decorate cupcakes while they be in the pool, while the adults are in the pool having sip and swim. So this is something that we're gonna do. While the adults are sipping and swimming, the kid is gonna be in the house playing games and decorating cupcakes and eating all the food. You ready?
Music in there for me.
One of them.
Go let your brother know when you're ready to sing happy birthday. You got, well, this is what, Milan's game.
Come on, come on, come on.
No, not big girl.
I could have made you a pair of these out of some garbage bags and clean one
These
side
are
red.
expensive.
$5.
Now the big giant
I got 2 garbage bags. Blue
Everybody having fun?
Blue together, pink.
Yay.
What they play? Yeah, but we got it now. We got it now.
Let's get on this one.
over to the first time. My mom got me some food. It's already smashing hers. Ain't gonna show her face because she busted. There we go. We got a burger. That's all. Oh. Hello. You getting off the couch? Give it to mommy. That's mommy's shoe. I told you to get it to mommy earlier. You did not listen. He said, I'll be back. He said, I'll be back. Right. He said, I'll be back.
Get up to mama.
Oh, this Pow Pow? You need Pow Pow today? Give it to mommy. Yeah, put your shoes on. Yeah, I found it. You want to put on your shoes? Come on. Oh, kiss the baby. Kiss the baby. He tried to tell him to sit down. He can't. He's a baby, Pootie. He can't get down there yet.
No, he can't get down there.
Look, Anna.
Look, Pootie. He ready to play.
Look, I got it. Oh my God. Look, especially when he's taller than somebody. He jumped. Show him how to jump, Pootie.
Jump. You did do jump.
Yep. I know how to jump too. Be careful. He's still a baby, Pootie.
Anna. Go put shoes on.
He said, I am playing here. He's like, man up. It's good, Grandma. It's good.
Ooh. Look on that grill.
Honey, you okay?
I need to swim too much so I can spray them.
Let me see who got the best cupcake. Let me see.
Yeah, let me see who got the best cupcake. I got a gift for my
Yo, it's a lot of good gifts. Dang.
Who done ate it?
They done ate hers. She got her little.
Hold on, I'm still making mine. Let me see that.
We still making mine. We still making mine. Make hers.
Go ahead, Ariana. Let's see your technique.
Yeah, that's right. Just show the front part.
Not that part. The other.
Look, she got a technique over here. Let me see somebody else's cupcake. Y'all on the vlog. Y'all gonna be on the vlog.
Oh, y'all ain't making that on the side of it?
Oh, we see some sprinkles though going on over there. We see a little orange swirl. All right. Then we got Greedy over here saying something.
Hey, you know that white bag in the room? On the flower of the dresser? Mine look good. Yum. Can you bring that to me?
Whatever you are just playing, you don't get no prize.
Oh, no, I mean, I got some good prizes.
Some real good prizes.
You're gonna make your thing. Hook it up.
Put that with cream in.
Oh, shoot.
Give me blue.
Look at Greedy. He is tearing it up. Annie is good. Annie's good. It ain't no more for you to decorate. Oh, yes it is. Yes it is.
They said they waited too late to say that.
It's more. It's chocolate left.
There's more chocolate on the head if you want another try at it.
Who my spoon? Who's my spoon?
Everybody say happy birthday, sorry, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma. Thank you.
Yeah.
Give me a cupcake. I'm gonna show you how you do it.
Oh,
Larry, you want this prize?
I don't want
No, he don't want this, bro.
yeah.
Well, I'm pretty sure these girls would be excited.
Larry, give me a spoon.
Hey, don't see that arm.
With mom.
You give me a spoon.
A spoon?
I should show y'all.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, y'all rich.
I'm gonna get something and they gonna be like,
Oh,
wait a minute.
go show.
Y'all wanna see what that prize is?
Yes.
You sure?
One.
I'm sorry, Michael. It's a girl, but we got some of these too.
Yeah, you got candy and stuff, so we got you.
I just want to say what he like. Look what it is.
And this is an expensive gift.
Hey, Brad.
And this is what y'all making cupcakes for.
What they making their cupcakes for, Ma?
They're making cupcakes for
They like
hair.
hair.
And it is the, what you call these twists?
Crochet to passion twist.
Passion twist.
Ariana got her mouth wide open.
Brand
Bundles.
new. Let's say this prize is worth.
Human hair.
Who's gonna win this? Look at this.
Man.
This was gonna go in my hair, but guess what I decided to do?
Give it to y'all.
Oh, who's gonna win this one?
And it's human hair.
I made a Gatorade.
You win.
And it looks like I'm gonna win.
I got a Gatorade symbol. Let me the Gatorade symbol. You gonna stop playing with me?
This is who gonna get it?
I can't get it. Why?
You got dreads.
Why can't you put this in your hand?
She got dreads, Mom.
And
Uh-huh.
YouTube it.
You did.
Oh yeah, she can actually. She can.
You want the twist?
Decorate your own cupcakes. Eat, have that over here.
While the adults are out swimming and sipping, and
So,
we got
this
some.
is what you guys can do. Okay?
We got giant Uno for y'all to play.
What time is it?
That one right there?
Yeah, giant Uno, and we got Jingle over there too. Y'all can play. Okay, whatever y'all want to play.
I'm just saying, go y'all cupcakes, you can decorate them whenever.
What time is that?
You got, well, this is what, Milan's game.
Come on.
Oh, no, not big girl.
Okay.